Bullish Theta organization, Theta, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.78 and $9.03 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.72 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.849817. Theta organization, Theta, presentation Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta, Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: normal hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Standard hubs acquire awards for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure much bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a concentrated area. This diminishes inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by disseminating traffic among numerous ways all the while. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transfer speed and registering assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen inertness and work on streaming quality. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry, as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is at present worth $1.06 United States dollars. Theta has moved 1.32% as of now with an exchanging volume of $23,492,251. Theta organization is at present position 59 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,062,270,664 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization, Theta, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. There are a few motivations behind why we accept that Theta has the potential for huge development before long. The quantity of web clients, right off the bat, keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Besides, use levels in created markets like the US are as of now very high, yet there is still space for development as additional individuals become happy with utilizing on the web administrations. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Theta organization, Theta, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, Theta. The Theta cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.59. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.49 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.27. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.66. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.34. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.72 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.40 and a low of $3.19 in 2025. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2026. Assuming Theta organization effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.78, with a base cost of $4.25 and a typical cost of $4.46. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.52 by 2027. With a base cost of $5.31 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $5.84. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2028, because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.59. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $6.90, neglecting to assemble the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.37. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7.44 and a yearly cost close above $7.97 in 2029. Theta organization, Theta, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Theta organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.50 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.03, averaging out at $8.71. The ongoing Theta organization cost depends on an investigation of various variables, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In light of our estimates, we accept that the Theta organization coin cost will keep on ascending sooner rather than later and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta organization, Theta, cost today? Today, Theta organization, Theta, is exchanging at $1.06 with a complete market capitalization of $1,062,270,664. Is Theta organization a wise speculation? Theta organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space.